Vera Clinic embodies the spirit of football. Similar to a football squad, our team works together and backs each other up. Every hair graft is inserted with the same precision as a footballer's targeted passes and shots. The ultimate goal is to gain self-confidence. We provide support at every stage, lifting you higher. Careful planning and strategic execution are key to securing victory in the game. Vera Clinic, official partner of Brighton Hove Albion Football Club.